Addressable RGBs. Let's see what they've got to offer, huh?
Now they call this setting lightning. I don't think I could live with that. They call this one wave.
The CPU cooling block is RGB, but it had a different connector I've got to match up.
This one's called fire. Yeah, that's a little nervous making.
Oh yeah, still waiting on replacement RAM.
Cool. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one for a while. It's tied to the CPU temperature, and it starts green in the 30s Celsius, and then continues towards yellow at around 50, and ends up red at 75.
So while I'm processing this video, the rig's temperature got up to 50 degrees, and sure enough, it's bright yellow. So I should be operational in a day or two.